Hello, everybody, and welcome back. Just beyond excited to have just got this deck, Trionfi del Luna Tarot, after waiting for its arrival for so long. So, uh, this is by US Games, and I have just got the Deviant Moon deck by my side just for reference, but today I'm just going to unbox this deck which just arrived, and just uh, just go through the cards today and check this out. So be here with me. So I have gone ahead and I have cut through the wrapping, and we will go. I'll go along with you on this entire journey. And so, Trionfi della Luna, Triumph of the Moon. And so, Patrick Valenza has is playing here with the same aspect of the moon over here, and we can in all his texts we can see the prominence of the moon, and triumph over here also perhaps alludes to the trump card that is prominent. So let us go and have a look at the decks. This is a tug box. It is a sturdy tug box, and obviously the decks are printed in China. This is one side, and the artwork was painted using watercolor, gouache, and light digital enhancement, as opposed to Deviant Moon deck, which he had mentioned that he had done a lot of modification to his artwork. Let us go ahead and take the deck out. This is the back side. Beautiful back. Ouch. Let me not mess up the pattern over here, and just take out the Deviant. This is the Deviant Moon card stock. This is the guidebook that comes along with this. So this is a Marseille based deck, and illustrated pips, as is Deviant Moon, though people often associate Deviant Moon deck with RWS style, but the illustrations of Deviant Moon and Trionfi della Luna are very, very similar, and in both the decks justice is at 8 and strength is at 11, and this is a Marseille based deck. This is a Marseille based deck, and the pips are illustrated. So the cardstock is good, thick, and the back side is blue. This is very slippery, as you can see, as opposed to the Deviant Moon deck, which is very thin. Deviant Moon deck, the card size is longer. If you had seen, it is the size of the regular tarot deck size. And so let's go on with the flip through. The indie version has quite many alternatives for the devil card. This is typical Marseille style, with the sun having two twin children, but I found this deck to be quite beautiful, and I have to go through this deck again to see through all the hidden meanings and character, and I think this deck will read as beautifully as the Deviant Moon deck. Um, um, this this little white guidebook packs quite a lot of meanings, keywords that would be very helpful, and this is an awesome deck to have in the collection. um, I will in future come up with a comparison of illustrated Pip Marseille decks, and till then, see you, goodbye.